I was asked the question on my Poshmark, what do I use to achieve the look on my pictures? Well, it's very simple. It's nothing expensive or extravagant. Nothing of the sort. I use my photo box light here that you all see. It's very simple and easy to assemble. And I also use my phone. Very simple, easy to use. So I just wanted to share this with you all because a lot of people assume that you need expensive or extravagant things, and you do not need that to achieve the look that you're looking for. So if you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comment section below. And also, if you would like to purchase my photo light box, I do have the link provided to you in the description below. Excuse me. So, all right, I hope you all enjoy.